Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about how much it costs to fuel a JUTC bus. Now we are driving through Parade in downtown Kingston, and this is basically the bus terminal for downtown Kingston. They don't have a building like the Halfway Tree Transport Center. So the buses park along Parade. This is South Parade, and that's a JUTC bus. Now guys, how much do you think it costs? That's a diesel bus. How much do you think it costs to fuel this bus? Now, it costs 60,000 Jamaican dollars to fuel this bus, to fill it up. 60,000. Now, every year you hear about the government subsidizing the JUTC. Billions of dollars. I think it was 9 billion last year and it's going to 12 billion next year. And one of the major costs, or one of the losses that JUTC suffers is when people steal fuel. It costs close to between 500 million and $1 billion that costs the JUTC for stolen fuel every year. But we'll talk about that in another video. But $60,000 to fuel this bus is a lot of money. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Now, if you notice, recently the government has been bringing in CNG buses. Those are the buses that use gas. And do you know how much it costs to fuel that bus? $20,000. That is a huge savings. Or they save a lot of money. So that's why the last 100 buses that came in were CNG buses. So every time you fuel a CNG bus versus a diesel bus, you're saving $40,000. Now the government brought in 100 CNG buses, and that means they will save $4 million every time a CNG bus is fueled over a diesel bus. If they had brought in 100 diesel buses, they'd be spending $6 million to fuel them. So definitely CNG is the way to go. But these buses, the diesel buses, so what's happening is they brought in 100 CNG buses, but the only depot that can fuel the CNG buses is the Portmore depot. Now, I haven't heard of any plans to build CNG fueling stations at other depots. But so for now, it's Portmore. And the diesel buses that were at Portmore were sent to other areas in Jamaica. For instance, 12 of the buses that were at Portmore, the diesel buses, were sent to Montego Bay Metro. So they'll still be fueling them up at 60,000 a pop. But the good thing is they're moving towards CNG and the cheaper fueling. Alright, so we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. The Jamaica Urban Transit Company is set to achieve significant savings and operational efficiencies with the recent addition of 100 new compressed natural gas buses to its fleet. With these 100 buses on CNG, we will be spending 200% less on fuel, while solving the long-standing issue regarding diesel oil affecting the efficiency of the JUTC. Minister of Science, Energy, Telecommunication and Transport, Honorable Darrell Vaz explained. He was speaking at the recent formal handover ceremony for the buses at the Portmore JUTC depot in St. Catherine. Presently, it would cost $60,000 to fill one diesel Dragon bus compared to 20,000 it will cost to fill one of these CNG buses. So we save 40,000 per bus. That is 4 million saved each time we fuel these 100 buses, the minister added. The government has also expanded the CNG capacity at the Portmore depot from 1 pump to 3, effectively increasing JUTC's refueling capabilities by 300%. The shift to CNG, which is generally less expensive than diesel, addresses other issues within the JUTC, including diesel theft and high fuel costs. Alright guys, so that is the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. I think it's a move in the right direction, and I don't think they should be bringing in any more diesel buses. They brought in 25 CNG buses last year, so they would have deployed them, tested them, evaluated them, and they seem to have worked. So that's why they brought in 100 now. I think it's the way of the future, but they need every depot, bus terminal to be able to fuel CNG buses. That's something they need to look at as they bring in more. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Enjoy the rest of the tour. We're driving through downtown Kingston. Alright guys, have a good day.